ओनोवरचा शेनवारा सावन कार्निवाल महोत्सव सुरू जातलो. गोंय पर्यटन विभागान क्लीवन मॅथ्यू फर्नांडीस हाची किंग मोमो म्हणून निवड केल्या. परवरेचो कार्निवाल रद्द केल्ल्यान आता 1 मार्चाक पणजेच्यान कार्निवालाक सुरवात जातली. 2 मार्चाक मडगांवां, 3 मार्चाक वास्को, 4 मार्चाक मोर्जे आनी म्हापशे कार्निवालाची मिरवणूक काडटले. गोंय पर्यटन उदरगत महामंडळाचे व्यवस्थापकीय संचालक कुलदीप आरोलकार हांणी आयोजीत केल्ले पत्रकार परिशदेंत ही माहिती दिली.
Safety and crowd management. We will ensure a safe and enjoyable experience for all the attendees, which is our top priority. Goa Police, along with the emergency services and all the security personnel, will be deployed at all parade locations. A well-planned traffic management system will be in place to avoid congestion. We request all visitors to follow the safety guidelines and cooperate with the authorities and its personnel who are present to ensure a smooth and memorable experience for them. I also invite one and all for the locals, tourists and the global Goan community to join this Carnival 2025 to celebrate our traditions, the music, the dance and the artistic expression. We encourage everyone to participate, enjoy and make this year's Carnival an unforgettable experience. Thank you.